Hello everyone. Let us see question number 33b. Which hormones are responsible for sexual maturation in humans? You know, when human reach certain age, there will be sexual maturation. Which hormone in human are responsible for this sexual maturation? In male, it is done by testosterone. Testosterone are produced in testes, and in female it is estrogen. Estrogen are produced by ovaries. So what is the work of testosterone and estrogen ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ testosterone ಮತ್ತು estrogen they bring secondary sexual characteristics in both male and female, especially in male testosterone. Secondary sexual characteristics ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಮೇಲಲ್ಲಿ you have studied it in your 8th class ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು hair growth in body and face ಅಲ್ವಾ? Which triggers development of male facial and body hair ಆಮೇಲೆ which helps in deepening of the voice. Adam's apple ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ಡ್ ಮಸಲ್ ಮಾಸ್. ನೀವು ಗರ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಸಲ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಟೆಸ್ಟಾಸ್ಟಿರಾನ್. Whereas in female, what are the secondary sexual characteristics? They are nothing but breast development and widening of the hips and regulation of menstruation cycle or monthly cycle ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಈಸ್ಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸೊ ದ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ಸ್ they are responsible for sexual maturation in humans are in male testosterone and in female it is estrogen. Thank you.